Hello there, everyone. You guys do not know me, but my name is Beastmaster. Despite being so big, so normal, I have a very secret superpower. This will never ends. I am actually vigilant. Alright, who don't want? Well, and I also pride myself on my vigilance. Being a vigilant person is awesome. Of course, this is not a skill that was born with. I learned it through such a very heart-wrenching incident.
Okay, before I continue my lesson, I have a message from your form teacher. You have your prom night 2 weeks later. Please get ready and release your outfit. Okay?
这你他妈配比我那么这得比我我为什么要给你的？Hey, hold on. You smell bad. It smells like gas. It's coming from somewhere. Hey, who cares? I don't know what they're eating. Oh my god! What did I do? What happened? Oh, what have I done? And of course, at that moment, I felt the guilt coursing through my veins. How could I met my friends, all my friends, just die like that in my own way? This is a major accident. I felt responsible. How could I not tell everyone? How could I not save them? Of course, this and that was when I learned about vigilance, and I became a vigilant. And this saved a million people in my school. Who can save that? Please.
2 weeks later, during prom night.
in this